No matter what business you do, sales are the most important part and leads are a key to sales. But how to generate potential leads without even having to pay any lead generation software out there? Don't you worry, because I have the solution for you today. We're going to use ChatGPT and Google for leads generation, and then we're going to automate everything using make.com and make it possible for you to generate leads and contact your clients even when you're sleeping. And we're going to be using really simple tricks for that. We're going to have a search query right here and a prompt to actually sort out the data. Then we're going to place that data inside our Google Sheets and then create this automation. So without further chatter, let's dive right into it and explore this amazing mechanism for leads generation. Hi and welcome back to Skill Curve. This is your host Shamrez, and we're finally getting to the fun part. We're gonna go and populate this leads info sheet by actually using this search query that I've created for you guys, and you can use it or you can even customize it. But what I mean by customization, as for the site that I'm looking into, is Instagram.com, but you can change that as well. You can go with Facebook if you want to, or you can go with LinkedIn. But I'm gonna go and stick with Instagram here. And the next part is the niche keyword or the industry keyword in which you're interested. So it's gonna be the fitness industry, and I'm looking for a fitness trainer. Whoever is a fitness trainer, I'm gonna pitch in an offer for marketing to get them sales. Or you can place appropriate keywords here as well. Who you're seeking, what do you need, and the recommendations. But I'm just gonna go and skip that for now because this one is gonna be a really basic search query. Then I'm gonna go with all the email providers, the popular ones, not everyone, but the popular ones. So anyone who has an email on their profile over at Instagram, the data are gonna be crawled through this search query. So let's go and test this out. So just copy it, and there you go. You get tons and tons of different influencers and fitness trainers. Now all you have to do is just select everything from here. Don't leave anything. There you go. Copy it. And the next step is going to be using ChatGPT to actually sort out this data. So I'm going to place in all of this data. Then I'm going to go on top of this data right here. And I'm going to put in the prompt that I created for this. And there you go. There's the prompt. So the prompt says, sort all the below data into tabular format with columns, name, email, company, and contact. That's what you need. So let's go and hit enter. And now it's actually going to go on and format everything into a more organized, sorted tabular format. So there you go. You get the data. Now all you have to do is just copy everything. Let's go to our sheets, and I'm going to place everything right here. There you go. Now, once you have your sheets ready, what you need to do is you need to make an automation system out of that. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use make.com. Because I've been using make.com for automation for quite a while now, and I've created a couple of videos on how to use make.com and a few fun scenarios, so you can go and watch those videos on our channel. But for now, let's go and create this new scenario. So I'm gonna go and first name this scenario. This is gonna be lead generation. That's it. So there you go. I've zoomed in a bit so that you can see it clearly. So I'm gonna add a Google Sheets module here. So we have the Sheets module. There you go. And I want to watch rows. So watch new rows. This is going to be something like, it's going to watch every new row that's coming up in the sheet and then perform an action on it. This is more like a trigger. So let's place that right here. As for the connection, you will have to add a connection if you have not already added one. You just have to sign in with Google. Otherwise, if you have a connection, you can click and choose that. As for the search method, I'm going to leave that as search by path. Next, I'm going to select the spreadsheet ID. So let's go and search for the spreadsheet, which is going to be leads info that I just created. So I'm going to go and search for that. There you go. Next, it's going to ask you for sheet names. Mine only have sheet 1. So there you go. As for if the table contains header, yes, it does. The limit, I'm going to go with 1 because I want to email one person at a time, or I want to read one row at a time. So there you go. After you're done with your trigger, you can change the time for each iterative lookout. So I'm going to change this to 30 minutes because I want to keep a space between each email so that my email provider does not flag me as a bot. After that, let's hit OK. So our trigger is ready. Now we have to add another module here, which is going to be the Gmail module because I want to mail someone. So there you go. So I'm going to go and send email. There you go. Let's connect that. And let's go and add our email address here. Now it's time to actually map our email. So I'm going to go with email from the sheet in the to section because I'm going to send the email to the trainer. Next, for the subject, I'm going to say opportunity for, and then I'm going to select the company. So it's going to be like opportunity for ABC Fitness and Gym, stuff like that, the company. As for the content, I've already created an email from ChatGPT and I'm going to use that, which would be something like this. So here in the trainer's name, I'm going to remove this, and here I'm going to map the actual name of the trainer. There you go. And next at the end, I'm going to go and say Shamriz. There you go. So we have a pitch here, and all you have to do is just copy and paste that right here. Once you're done with that, let's go and hit OK. And with that, your email is set and you can work on it. So let's go and actually save this. And once you turn this on, it's going to go and check every 30 minutes for a new row. If there is a new row, it's going to send that email to that. And there you go. The scenario is actually working. We're getting data from here. This is the email and the information, and the data is being sent. We're sending an email, and I'll show you my sent box, which is right here. As you can see, the same exact email. So this means that the automation is working, and you can leave this on, and it's going to check every 30 minutes for a new row in the table right here. So that was it for this video. In this video, we went on and explored how we can actually automate lead generation, and we don't even have to do anything, and the leads will be generated for us even when we're sleeping. We went on with a really basic search query. We put that search query on Google and scraped all the data, then placed that in ChatGPT and formatted that data, and then put that in Google Sheets. Later on, we actually went on and went to make.com and created this really simple and easy automation within a couple of minutes. So this is how you can automate your leads generation and increase your sales even when you're not online. I hope this video was valuable. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.